when it's dead? What flies when it's born, lies when it's alive, runs when it's dead? Time doesn't lie when it's alive, so I don't know how that fits. So that's not the answer I was looking for. It doesn't seem to match the second criteria, but clock uh, lies when it's alive, runs when it's dead. No, clock doesn't do that. So, all right. So let us, I'll wait for the uh, answer as we go along. And, second game, yeah, we'll bring them back as, we're going through some changes and improvements, additions, modifications. So you would love them because that gives you a way to mummy, ghost. Don't see that. We don't have, this will give you ways to earn life and, make things better. Also, just for your information, we are giving you additional time on the last question so that you have a better chance of solving it. All right. And Eastman, as usual, has come up with the right answer. The one I was looking for was snowflake, but snow is close enough, Eastman. We accept it. Great job. All right. So message. So that's a. So I'm happy that we got the answer to that, and I hope all your answers remain correct and everybody wins. Great. So let's get started with question number 1. 9, 3, 6. Desired result is 6. 8 possible solutions, and let us see how we can get 6 out of 9, 3, and 6. Couple of subtractions, I guess, and you should be getting that. And so let's see how many of you are getting it out of the 63 that we have. 57 of you have done it, so more than 90%. Great job. 5 out of 8 solutions have been given, and 41 of you did it in a most popular way. So great job. There are some unique solutions as well. So you're getting ready for tomorrow's game, I see. Question 2 coming up. 4, 5, and 15. The desired result is 35. There are only 4 possible solutions, and each and every one of them is welcome. So it looks pretty easy. So I hope most of you get it, and I'm hoping that more than 50 of you get this correctly. All right. So as we are waiting, we have an interesting game coming up tomorrow. 48 of you got, that's pretty close to 50. So I accept that. All 4 solutions have been given. It's 5 times 4 is 20 plus 15 gives you 35. 40 of you have given that answer. And we move on to question 3. 30, 2, and 13. The desired result is 2. How do you get 2 from 30, 2, and 13? There are only 3 possible solutions. And okay, yeah, so it's always a little bit tricky when there is a division and subtraction involved in it. Yeah, tomorrow's game is going to be a very simple, easy version. I know our youngsters have been asking for this, and I know the older players are going to find it very easy, but let's give it a go tomorrow. 49 of you have given the correct answer, and all 3 solutions have been given. It was 30 divided by 2 is 15 minus 13 gives you 2. 39 of you have given the most popular answer. Great job, everyone. As we move on to question 4. 5 sixths, 4 third, 5 third. Addition and subtraction. Desired result is half. How do you get half? And there are 8 ways of doing this. 5 sixths, 4 third, and 5 third. So I hope you get, this one right. I know fractions are a little bit tricky, but it's very important, right? It's an important skill to have. As important or more important as knowing how to ride a bike. Let's see. 30 of you have given it correctly. And my clue for solving this will be think of lowest common denominator. And that will help you solve it. It converts fractions into an integer type of a problem that you know how to solve very easily. All right. So let's give it a try next time, be prepared. You have the practice. You can get ready and do that. So let's move on to question 5 with 30 players. Decimals. 4.975 is the desired result. 5.25, 10.6, 3.125, and 7.2 are the operands. Addition and subtraction are in play. 90 possible solutions. Everybody says they've got it. Great job, everyone. Glad you're engaged and getting ready for, to see whether you moved on or not. So we had 30 players before. Some of you might have used live. So let's see how many of you have. Wow. Yes, you have. You have used lives, and you have 33 of you have given 9 solutions out of the possible 90. So that's good. We have more than half of the players still left after, halfway through the game. Question 5 is done. Let's see what question 6 has. 12, 9, 18, and 2. 92 is the desired result. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. How do you get 92 by 12, 9, 18, and 2? There are 16 possible solutions. Cool Math, Sujata, Kausalya have all, are bragging about it. And I don't have a clue. I was trying to solve it, see whether I can get it. I guess there must be some multiplication involved in it. That's about the extent of the solution that I got to. We still have 30 players. 12 times 9 is what? 108 minus 18, 90 plus 2 is 92. Great job. The 20 of you have given that solution. There are 30 players are moving on. Let's see how many solve question 7. As we hit question 7, desired result is 66, 11, 6, 14, and 13. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. We have 12 possible solutions, and Sujata claims it's easy. Yes, if you know how to do it, it's easy. Yeah, I also agree. Now that I look at it, all you had to do was one multiplication, and 6 times 11 would have gotten you, let's see. Yeah, 6 times 11 would have gotten you the answer, and 14, 13, would have given you 1. So 29 of you have gotten it correct, and 19 of you are moving on to the next question. Question number 8. 17, 6, 14, and 18. The desired result is 70. 24 possible solutions if we can combine multiplication, subtraction, and addition. How do you get 70 from 17, 6, 14, and 18? Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And as I was telling you, tomorrow's, we're trying to come up with an easy version for our youngsters. And of course, we're not stopping the adults from playing. We will allow you to play, but, let's, are you smarter than a 7-year-old, right? That's what we're going to find out. Looks like this was a bit tough. 20 players are remaining, and out of the 29 that we had, 5 out of 24 solutions were given. It's 17 times 6 was 102, minus 18 minus 14 gives you 70. 14 of you have given that answer. So 17 times 6 must have tripped most of you up. But, there was another way of solving it also. So, so a simpler way, and that elegant way was used by 3 of you, where you did 14 times 5. So great job. As we move on to the final question, which has more time, we have given you extra 5 seconds because it's a 2 variables, x and y. What values of x and y do you need to get x plus 5y, 4x plus 3, and 9 to get a desired result of 17? There are 20 possible solutions, and we accept every one of them. And there could be more than one value of x or y that solves it, and that's okay as well. So x has to be a small number, right, between 1 and 9. And as I said, we have a very simple game coming tomorrow. And so let's see. Only 2 players solved it. Wow. I'm eager to see who they are. X equal to 3 and y equal to 4 are the only, that's one solution. I'm not sure what else you used. And so let's go take a look. I can understand the questions are available to you ahead of time, are sample questions. So please take a look at it and make it, just get prepared for it. So let's go take a look at who the winners are. It's You Know Me and Ritish are the two that have solved this correctly. Congratulations to both of you. 250 each. That's the biggest part thus far. So if you are playing in India, that's almost coming up to close to $200. So great job, both of you, and congratulations. So easy game tomorrow. So, be ready, and we'll try to see whether it's most popular or most distinct. We'll try to help our youngsters and get them motivated. So let's see. Yeah, I agree, Birdie Flurry. You needed more time, and that's a little bit of a challenge. I know you're all good. You can solve it. We're just trying to keep it interesting. Great. So thank you all for playing. This is Saktivel signing off, reminding you, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero. Play Number Royale every day. I see a comment about this is not fair. Hey, that's, I hope you have practiced. So that's all I can tell you. Well, tomorrow is going to be easy. You're going to love it. Everybody is going to win tomorrow. All right. So let's take a look. And so thank you all for playing. See you all tomorrow. Bye for now.